Good morning, boys and girls. This morning we are going to work together to make lemonade. So I have all of my things here that I need to make lemonade, and I'm going to demonstrate it for you in case you want to do it at home. So I'm going to look at my recipe, which I have here on my phone. Sometimes you can look in a cookbook, but often I find recipes online. So this recipe is telling me that I need lemon juice, which I'm going to squeeze from lemons. I am going to need water. I have my pitcher of water I'm going to pour out of. And I'm going to need sugar. So I have my container of sugar here. I also have my things that I need to put my lemon juice into. I'm going to start by putting my lemon juice into this measuring cup because I need a cup of it. And then I'm going to transfer it into my pitcher where I'm going to add the water and the sugar. So I have my lemon squeezer, which is going to make juice for me out of my lemon. I have my wooden spoon, which is going to stir for me. I need to mix that sugar in. I have a dry measuring cup for my sugar. And I have the liquid measuring cup, of course, for all the liquids. I also have a knife. Mom and dad or a family member will help you with cutting your lemons. And I also have this cutting board. So the first thing I'm going to do is get some lemon juice from my lemons. I take a lemon and I'm going to cut my lemon in half. Just like that. Okay? I'm going to use my lemon squeezer. I'm going to place my lemon in here, down like this. I'm going to hold it over my measuring cup. I'm going to lift it up a little bit so you can see it. And I'm going to squeeze. And you will see the lemon juice has come out. I have a squished lemon, so I'm just going to discard that on the side. I'm going to do the same thing until I have enough lemon juice to make lemonade. I need to fill this whole thing pretty much. So it looks like it's going to take quite a few lemons to do that. Luckily, I have a lot of lemons. That was one lemon, and I have, oh boy, less than a third of a cup. So here we go. I'm going to cut a couple more lemons. I'm going to cut 3 and see where we get. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so I'm getting there with my lemons. Still need to juice some more. We're like 10 lemons in now. But hopefully this will be the most delicious lemonade I've ever had. You might have seen other juicers that look a little bit different. They look like a dish with like a little spiky thing coming up out of them. And those work a little bit differently. But this is the kind of juicer I have at my house. And we're getting there. We're almost there. Yay! Almost have a cup of lemon juice. Okay, I think we're at the 1 cup line. So let's see. Measured There we go, and it's at the top line. That's where we need it to be. So I'm going to put this into my pitcher, but I'm actually going to go grab a strainer first because it looks like I got some seeds in there. This strainer will catch all of the stuff that I accidentally got in here. So if it got pulp or if it got seeds, it will take it all out. I'm just gonna put it through, hope not to lose too much. Oh yeah, and I got a good collection of seeds right here. So that's great. I got my seeds out. I did lose a little bit, so I'm actually gonna juice a couple more just to make up for what I just lost. I'm just going to do it right directly in there, and that should be plenty. Okay, so now I have a cup of lemon juice, and it tells me that I need a cup of sugar and 7 cups of water. So I'm going to put in my sugar first so that my sugar and my lemons can mix together really nicely. So here is my 1 cup measuring cup. It's a dry measuring cup. It is not a liquid measuring cup like the glass one I was using. I'm going to get my sugar. Okay, I have my cup of sugar. I'm going to mix it in, and I'm going to stir. Okay. So it's really sugary right now. You do not want to drink this like this. First, you want to mix it up really good, and then you want to add your water. So it calls for 7 cups of water. Just splashed right in my face. It is very sweet. So we have a very sugary lemon juice at the bottom of my pitcher, and I have some water already measured out. So these are 2 cups in each one of these cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I fill this, 5, 6, and 7. I'm just making it to the top here. Okay. I want to leave a little bit of space so I can stir. So now it's very evenly mixed. It's lots of water with a cup of lemon juice squeezed from lemons and a cup of sugar. Now to make it fancy. Okay, let's make it fancy. I'm going to put this to the side. Jeremy, can you grab me a glass, please? A drinking glass?
Okay.
To make my lemonade look fancy, it wants me to cut up lemons in slices. So I'm going to make some lemon slices to put directly into my lemonade. Thank you, Jeremy. My son just brought me a glass, and I'm going to put 1 piece of lemon in my glass before I put my lemonade in there. And then the rest of my lemon that I have just sliced, I'm going to put in my lemonade. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm going to pour it in. I have a nice cup of homemade lemonade. Cheers! It's pretty good. I hope that you can try and make some homemade lemonade at home with lemons, a juicer, and sugar and water. All right. Well, we also have a follow-up activity on Seesaw. You're going to go ahead and go to the student template, and you're going to put in order the way you make lemonade. So there's pictures. Remember, first you gather your ingredients, then you mix it together, then you pour it in a cup, and then, yum, you enjoy it. Have a good day, friends. See you later.